Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another crash video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Prettifun. I covered one of my favorite songs by them called Light. So the presets will be based around that sound, and which is pretty much the same thing as they do now because it wasn't that long ago, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna just play the cover for y'all so y'all can hear the presets.
Pretty. Highlight TMZ, taking pictures. Baby, what you seeing me? Oh, you think I'm that? Bedroque, 30 years off a dirty switch. Petty beat in your ears, got you twitching. Add for my home, she don't let it pose. Sexy than I goes. It's a pretty.
Alright, so yeah. Shit. So yeah, it's just two presets. All you need this is the auto tune settings. If you don't, if you have your own auto tune or whatever, I have it included. And yeah, it's the OTT for the main preset, and this is the OTT for the ad-lib. And yeah, so yeah, what I do is, you have the preset wherever you have it from, you grab the file, desktop, whatever the folder, you drag and drop into your track, whichever one you want, and right here in one, and then post track. That's how I have my setup, and then press this little red button, and then you route it into here, and there you go. Now the preset's working, and then you could do the same thing with the ad-lib, obviously. And boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's the ad-lib preset. And yeah, that's really it. All you gotta do is drag and drop. Yeah, all you gotta do is just drag and drop. There's no routes or anything. I wanted to make it simple for y'all, and this is honestly, I feel like this is a really good sounding preset for just any side underground sound too, not specifically Prettifun. I'm gonna play just the vocals by itself so you can hear that.
Got you twitching, add for my home. She don't let it pose. Sexy than I goes. It's a Prettifun party. Baby, I'm the house. 5 bottles Bacardi. Got your shit from your nose. Snooze, take a trip. Yeah, she let the feeling. Allergic to the face shit like it's penicillin.
And this is the ad-lib.
Your nose, take a trip. Snooze, face shit like it's penicillin. Get it right.
So obviously their sound is like, they make their voice higher, which is like, I don't know how they do it, but their voice is really good. It's very unique and stuff too. So yeah, that's really it. That's pretty much the presets. And then I'm gonna play the vocals raw, and then I'm gonna play the presets on so you can listen to with and without them.
Got your shit from your nose. Snooze, take a trip. Yeah, she let it feel it. Allergic to the face shit like it's penicillin. Chrome hearts got a pussy body that like acrylic. Bitch, passing bottles, body get the roof lifted.
And yeah, that's pretty much it for the presets. It's only 2 presets. I'm gonna throw in the master for y'all. And yeah, that's really it. Auto tune is included, OTT is included. If you need any help with anything, let me know on my Discord at 7akkiro, or my Instagram, same at. And yeah, that's really it. Appreciate y'all, bro. Have a good day.